Hey guys, so this is Neil again, and I am on my way to go pick up a transmission to cannibalize the gear set from to go into my all-wheel drive build. Now, this transmission is a T2T4 transmission. I think I've seen some people get it. All right, I found a chart online that has all of the H series trans gear ratios listed, which is a really great chart. It goes all the way through. It's like every single one. It's amazing. Now, some people I think have said that this is the Euro R Accord trans, but according to that chart, it is a JDM Accord SIR-T transmission. And the gearing is perfect for what I need. It is almost the same gearing as the 9701 Prelude BB6 chassis, but fifth gear is slightly longer, and it has an LSD, which is what I need. It's a torsions mechanical, should work really well. Now, the gear ratio is a 3.285 first gear, a 1.956 second gear, a 1.344 third, fourth is 1.034, and fifth is 0.787, which is great because having a slightly longer fifth gear is better on the highway. I was tired of being at 3,000 RPM at 60 miles an hour and 4,000 RPM at 80 miles an hour on the highway. I mean, that's absurd. It was terrible. The drone was horrible. So this will have me at about 3,500 at 80 miles an hour, which is not vastly lower, but it's enough. That'll be a little better. So anyway, I'm on my way right now. I'll be there in like 45 minutes? No, like 50 minutes. So the gearing in it is pristine. The guy sent me some pictures. He pulled off the case yesterday, and the gears are freaking mint, man. So I'm gonna go pick that up. It's gonna be great. I'll show you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so I'm here with Lorenzo.
Yep.
How you doing?
How's it going, man?
So, what are you putting in it?
What am I putting
in the
motor?
You're making an all-motor drag third gen Prelude?
Yeah, I've got a...
Not this one, but...
Not this one.
Yeah.
I've got a 3/4 inch aluminum deck-plated H22, so it's got a taller deck height than a K24.
Yeah, yep.
It's got a custom 102 millimeter stroker.
What do they do? They bond that onto the top and put cylinder liners in so that it's at the level?
Yep, so they're taller sleeves, and the deck plate is welded on the outside and the inside, so that you don't have...
Yeah, there's no space. Yeah. Yeah, you know, it's funny, they actually do that in Japan. They'll take an RB26, and like an RB30 has a bigger crank or bore, I can't remember which, but it has the same deck height. Well, if you want to do a stroker kit on an RB26, they add like another like 30 millimeters to the deck height or something like that. Yeah, like it's a fat section, and they actually like weld the block up and put cylinder liners in, so it's kind of the same thing. Here's the case off this trans. The gearing is perfect. Let me show you. So here's the LSD. You can see the helical gears in there. You can kind of see them. These gear stacks are pretty freaking mint. I love looking at the inside of a trans, I gotta say. But anyway, this will be perfect. That went really well. Lorenzo's a cool dude. I'm gonna get a starter from him within the next couple of weeks, I guess. It's $50, it's not bad. And that trans is in fantastic shape. The gears are mint. He gave me one with a bum case because I'm not going to be using that case anyway, so who cares? And on that note, I will end it here. I had a whole bunch of other footage that I wanted to add in. There was me in my garage going over a couple things with gear ratios and whatnot, and I didn't want to talk you guys out, so I'm going to wrap that now, and stay tuned. Go stick or go home.